Hi, in today's video I wanted to share with you how to turn your veggie scraps into veggie broth. This is so simple, it's a great way to save money as well as add flavor to your food and reduce your food waste. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. I like to keep in the freezer either a bag or a bowl where I add all my veggie scraps into, and when it's full, I turn the veggie scraps into veggie stock. Every time the veggie scraps are a little bit different depending on what I've been cooking that past week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but it always turns out good, and it's such a great way to get out all the vitamins from these veggie scraps that you cannot include in your meals but still want the nutrients from. Today the scraps I had were from leeks, kale stems, red and white onion skins, beets, zucchini, carrots, asparagus, celery, eggplant, broccoli, and 2 types of sweet potatoes. I then use a pasta pot as it has a built-in colander to make my broth, but you can of course use any kind of pot. Add into the pot all the veggie scraps. Fill up with water and add some seasoning of your choice. I like to add about 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Sometimes I also add paprika. Then you will put the pot on the stove top and bring it to a boil on medium-high heat. Once it has boiled, lower the heat and let it simmer for an hour to an hour and a half. Once ready, if you have a pasta pot like me, go ahead and remove the colander with the veggies. Or if you're using a regular pot, simply drain the veggie broth into a bowl through a colander, letting all the veggies stay inside the colander. Let it cool and transfer it into a container where you will keep it in. When it cools, I normally freeze half of it to use at a later time and keep half of it in the fridge for the upcoming week. Finally, I take out the veggie scraps to the compost, and this way I was able to first use up all of the nutrients from the veggie scraps and then return them into the soil. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. It really makes my day and helps me out with the algorithm. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. Let me know in the comments below if you give this a try and any other suggestions you have for me on how to use veggie scraps. Also, feel free to share this video with whoever you think might enjoy it, and I will see you all very soon with a new video. Bye!